LOR LOR, are you me attack? Are you me comfort? You are Judas, you are wicked, and you are dirty liar. Let me start it from the beginning. When me come and when me hear you cuss 99, and me call over your platform because me see 99 did I do things wrong too, and me call over your platform. You is the first one me call over your platform, right? And 2 more other platform, which I don't choose to mention their name because sometimes people don't like when you call their name. All over your platform first. Mean to say, me owe you anything out here. You don't owe me nothing, and me don't owe you nothing. Right? You don't owe me nothing, and me don't owe you nothing. So when you come keep your life and I keep your church service, you need to keep your church service. And you can't say you have said God and I say devil at the same time. That's wickedness. That's evil. And which me see a lot of evil inside of you. Right? This morning you come out here and you throw word. Oh God for burn fire upon them. And God for this and God for that. LOR LOR, dirty LOR LOR. And you gotta go burn fire upon. Because God start burn fire upon you already. Right? I said there are 3 people out here which I poke me, and you're going to poke me, and you're going to poke me, and you're going to think say me not going to say nothing. Wrong, you wrong there, so. Wrong move. Wrong move. LOR LOR, are you me a chat? Me no shade people. Me come straight to the point. Are you me a chat? Wrong move. Right? You go on like say you're a bully on this internet. But you can't bully me. No day, no time. You can't bully me. All hell start break loose when you come out and you start to call my phone and I tell me what you go talk say over the other platform. Right? Before me start everything, let me tell you this. Anything you have for me out here, please go put it out. Please put it out there. If you have voice note for me, put it out there. Me I beg you. Me I beg you. Because I know say you don't have nothing for me out here more than me I explain what had happened over the platform. And the thing is this, because of your dirty, stinking, nasty Tory, why this happened over the platform. Because the woman will call over there and say, Ima Bab, niece, cousin, are you why this thing happened on the internet? Right? Are you why it happened? And producer said to me, say, me must ask the platform holder for the area code. Let me go no hit in the Jamaican style. Is the area code. It wasn't no number, nor anything. The area code, which the area code could never do nothing. It couldn't hurt, it couldn't call, nothing. We only did one to know which part the problem was coming from. And as far as when me see, me the teleplatform all I say, me believe it. Yes, producer she never believe it. But me did believe it because me no idiot. Me see things out here, but me no stupid. Me only say it on the platform, say, me no believe it because me want to hold down things. I mean, as me and you talk, me never want them work against you. Me just say, no, me no believe it. But if the platform holder should wish to speak the truth, she could tell you that I said, I believe it. And until this day, me believe it. Baba, your man. Bob is your man, but I know me business. Me no business. Right? Okay. So if you have any voice note for me, me not go say dash it out. Fling it out. Fling it out. You hear me? I beg you. No make me have to come back and beg you. Fling it out. Me want hear what me chat say. Me want hear what me chat say. Me want hear how you set me up. Me want hear how you think you can have for me. And if you have any picture, and me, and my grandson, and my daughter, and my husband, fling it out. Cause we name stay good over here. Yes, we name stay good over here. So me I beg you dash it out. The next thing again, so miss them that you make sure say me not have to come back out here can't tell you that. Don't hold no voice note for me. No hold nothing for me. Nothing. Nothing me no want you hold for me. Don't hold nothing for me. Girl. Cause you believe say you a bully ya. And what you just do, you go on and voice record people. And then when you want them talk, where you need them to talk, and they say no, you want to try like say you have them in a little bubble. Bitch, you can't, me not live in a bubble with nobody. Bitch. Ya bitch. Ya drunk. Right? Me not voice record people out here. What I have for you, right, is when you talk to me and send message in WhatsApp. That's what I have for you. I don't record people, right? Because that is not right to record anybody, especially beyond their knowledge. And you want to come out here count on police. And you want to come out here count on, where the man down a Jamaican name must see Adams, some Adams way name. You want to come out here count on it. Bitch, you know nobody out here. And no fly, you come out here can't tell. No fly, you come out here and can't tell. Even upon the same gully rat that you tell lie upon her. Me not hold back my mouth. Me and she no plant peas alike. And she's not my cup of tea because she done a lot of wrongs. But you tell a lot of lie upon her. And you tell lie upon me. And you tell a lot of lie upon people. That's why you're known for out here. If you tell lie upon people and tape record people, you look a drunk or you. Dirty LOR LOR you me attack. And any one of your minions, them you look a chicken head them over there. Can't class me, I don't care because they don't know me. And if you show them picture of me, so be it. Me I stay a good girl. And you know that too. You know that. All you want to do is just demand people. You want to come and tell me what to say. Yeah, call me. When me over the next platform, right? Yeah, call me. I'm not talking this platform that I'm on now. When me over the next platform where you say you tape record me, right? You tell me, go when you go over there, keep this alive here. Keep this alive here over there. Me say no, me can't keep that over there. Sometimes me say yes, I will do it because when it is the truth, I say yes, I will ask the platform holder because when she always because she work, me always tell her say, me got you like that man, so me will just go to school, cause if you notice people, she always tell me say go to school and come back. And me always say me I go to school and me come back. So she always ask me say, what go on today in the metaverse, and me tell her. So me say, me we tell her, me we ask her if do it. So Dirty Lorraine, you not have nothing for me. Nothing you not have for me. Right? Alright. Come back again. When Dana did pick up the money for the Planka Nation students, me sit down round the table with my good honey bunny. That's what me call him. Yes, honey bunny. And me say, come here. Right? Me say, sit down here so with me, and me need you to add up this and add up that because me did a watch it live. And when you call me and ask me, say, how much, if me see it while going, and me say, yes, me have me match it up. And you ask me, say, how much me get? And me say, well, me get 81,000 short. And you say, no, don't come out, you can't say that. Don't come out, you can't say that. No, come out, you can't say that you say. And me say, no, me can't do it. I cannot do it. A lot of time you tell me, say, if you come out, you can't tell lie. Right? And me say, no, me can't do it. Sometimes me say to you, say, all right, but me don't do it. Me don't do it because me straight like that. And seen, I from me leave over other platform, Dirty Maxine, I provoke me. So that's why me gear the blunt on my tongue. But me gonna keep it like a decent. this evening cause me throat hurt me. But me say me have to come cause me can't make it pass. You understand? When you come talk about God fi burn them with fire, and your pussy God a go burn out with fire because you commit adultery. Yes, you commit adultery. You talk about me, tell you say me have man friend too. Bitch, you lie. I've never hold a conversation with you about any